Hi, so today we will create the dashboard on the COVID-19 dataset. So as previous we have created some charts. So here we can see we have created map chart. So this is the map chart and we have created two bar chart on the confirmed cases and the confirmed deaths and the band chart. So now we will create the dashboard. So here I'll first set the layout. I'll take the automatic and we will use these charts to create the dashboard. So first I'll take the horizontal and drop it onto the sheet, and I'm using the tiled layout, not floating. And also I'll take the another one horizontal and take. So as you can see, there is three horizontal objects. In the top of the horizontal we are going to use this for the heading, and these are for the charts. So as we have three charts, so I'm gonna put an vertical here. So we will put vertical in the middle and also in the corner, and we will take another vertical and drop it in between. Vertical over here, and one horizontal on the top and one in the bottom. So we will use three for the this is for the map chart, this is for the two bar chart. So now I'll take the map chart and drop it here. So we can simply remove these field, and here we'll take the bar chart. So and we will take another bar chart and drop it here. And we can simply remove the this date pane, and also we can see here our horizontal and the vertical which we have used on the top and the bottom has been removed. So we can simply drop it here, and you can so after doing that we can simply here right click on this title and click on the hide title, and same thing will do rest of the charts. So here we can see our charts are almost ready. So what I'll just do, I'll take the text object and drop it here, and we'll set the title as a COVID-19 dashboard. COVID-19 Tableau dashboard, and also we can do some formatting. We can select the font bold, and also we can select. So title also has been done, and now I'll take another text and drop it here. So this text for the title of this particular bar chart. So this is the uh, from, and I'll set this in the middle 16, take it as a bold. Okay, and I'll take another text and I'll drop it here. This is the confirm that on that, and I'll do the same. I'll keep it in the middle bold 16, and I'll use font as a tab. Also this is done now, and we can also select the background color over here. First I'll keep it in the middle and also increase the size. Now our dashboard is almost ready, and so in the next part we will do some formatting and also make it a synchronized dashboard. So uh, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more for the next video.